In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross-reference tables and figures in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill, especially when working with long documents or reports where accuracy in referencing is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Word document. Once it's open, go to the precise spot in your text where you want to insert the reference. Position your cursor exactly where the reference should appear, ensuring it's in the right place for clarity and context within your document. Now, let's access the cross-reference tool. You'll find it by heading over to the References tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Once there, look for the Captions group. Within this group, you'll see the option labeled Cross-Reference. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a dialog box where you'll set your reference details. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the type of reference you're working with. Specifically, you'll select either figure or table, depending on what you need to cross-reference. Next, under Insert Reference To, you'll want to choose only label and number. This option will display just the caption label and its associated number, which is usually sufficient for most documents. If you want your cross-reference to be interactive, make sure you check the box labeled Insert as Hyperlink. This will allow readers to click on the reference and be taken directly to the original table or figure, providing a seamless navigation experience in your document. In the For Which Caption list, you'll be able to select the specific figure or table you want to link to. Simply click on the item that matches the one you are linking, ensuring you're reflecting the correct reference. Once you've made your selection, click Insert to place the reference and then close the dialog box. You'll notice that the newly inserted cross-reference operates as a field. It might appear highlighted in gray when you click on it, indicating its link to the original item. While Word is great at handling these fields, it doesn't automatically update all cross-references as you edit. This means you'll need to update them manually to ensure everything remains accurate. To update your cross-references, start by selecting one of them, then navigate to the Home tab. In the Editing group, click on Select. From the drop-down menu, choose Select Text with similar formatting. This option allows you to handle all your cross-references at once for a consistent update. After that, right-click one of the selected references and choose Update field. With these steps, your references will stay up to date, making your document precise and professional. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to cross-referencing tables and figures in Word. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.